Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off Meta AI on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead and open up your Facebook app. From this section, go ahead and tap on this search icon on top right corner. Simply select this Meta AI button. Right, once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead tap on this little eye icon, which is you can see on top right corner, which is the info icon. And from the section, go ahead tap on this mute icon, and you can do it until I change it. And then you can go back, and that is one thing that you can do. Another thing would be go back, go to this three horizontal line on top left corner, go ahead, go to the bottom, settings and privacy, settings from the section, and scroll till you find this option of posts, and you have to toggle off allow comment summarize on your post, and that's it. That's what you can do regarding the Meta AI on Facebook. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.